Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create QR code for Google Sheet. Okay, Google Spreadsheet. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show in my desktop. So before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me come to the Google Drive and let me open the one Google Sheet here. Okay, you can open your existing sheet or you can get the new sheet from here. I just get the new sheet to show you. So this is my sheet, and I want, if I want to generate the QR code for that, for this sheet only, spreadsheet, and I can share this QR code to others. Okay, so come to the Google and type here Chrome extension, and just open the Chrome extension. You can say Chrome Web Store, where you can add the extension, and this is a web store. You can use the extension for your Chrome. Okay, so this is official site from Chrome. So now just type here QR code generator, just search, then the few add-on will be show here. Just let, okay, you can see the few add-on has been show here, so you can use this add-on. I use this and it is very good to use. Okay, so just open it. After that, you have to add this on your Chrome browser. Actually, I already add this because that's why it show me remove from Chrome. So here you can see the add button. Just click on add button and it will be installed to your Chrome browser. So now just click on this extension tab and find out this QR code and pin it. Okay, I'm already pin it, so it will be show on top. So now just go to the spreadsheet after you all work done. So now if you are going to generate a QR code, go to the share, and okay, it is name. Okay, just skip it. Okay, so one window will be open, so you can share with on email ID. But if you want to generate the QR code, then you have to come in links. Okay, and change with, you have to select the anyone with this link, and now make it viewer only. Don't make editor, just make it viewer. Now you can copy this link. Now go to the QR code icon, click on it, and from here you can change the delete existing link and change the with copied link. Okay, just copy it and just paste on here. So it is yeah, it is already copied here. So now you can download it. You can download QR code and use it. Okay, you can download the QR code and you can open it, and you can share this QR code anywhere. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.